there, can you actually see? Oh, please don't fall. No, don't touch it. Right. So Daddy. Hey, hello Daddy. Hello Daddy. You going to show Daddy you swimming? Hey, show Daddy you swimming. Kick your legs. Kick your legs. Go on, splash for Daddy. Splash for Daddy. Splash for Daddy. Splash for Daddy. Hey. Go on. Show Daddy you swimming. Show Daddy you swimming. No, stop drinking the water. Show Daddy you swimming. Swimming. No? Okay. We're going to show Daddy you going under the water, okay? Finlay, ready, steady, splash. Oh. Yay! And we do it twice, okay? One more time. Ready. Finlay, ready, steady, splash. Yay! There you go. See, Daddy, I don't mind going under the water because I'm big. Because I'm big. Hey? Did you swallow some water? Did you? Right, should we get out now? Oh, pardon again. You want to do some splashing before we go? Do you want to do some splashing before we go? No, you're too busy watching people walking past. Come on, we've been in long enough. Hi, Daddy.